The OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection Model, also known as the OSI. It has 7 layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. It provides a set of general design guidelines for data communication. It also provides a general standard of how to describe layers of data. The transmission of data is known as encapsulation. Receiving data is called de-encapsulation. The data flows from application to presentation to session to network to transport to data link to physical. Here, the data flows from physical to data link to transport to network to session to presentation to application. Physical layer. The physical aspect specifies how a device sends and receives information, such as copper wires or fiber optics. The data unit is bits. It converts signals into bits, which can be read by the next layer. Data is sent in binary transmission. Data link layer. The data link takes all the bit data from the previous layer and formats it into something called a frame. A frame is a unit of data that goes over the network that will contain your address information. The network layer. The job of the network layer is to control packet transmission. In other words, this layer acts as the organizer. The data link layer deals with the method, and the physical layer deals with the data. The network layer sends the data out the fastest way possible. The data unit is called packets. The transport layer. This is the layer in which reliability and quality are ensured. This layer manages traffic flow. By resending the data when the data is corrupt, it ensures quality of service. Session layer. This is the point at which the interaction between end systems is managed. This layer takes advantage of the stable communication created by the transport layer. It creates and controls the communication between two computers. Presentation layer. This is where the human readable languages are translated into machine code by the lower layers. Final layer, application layer. This layer will serve as the window for users to access the network services. This layer also establishes privacy mechanism. It authenticates the intended communication partners and determines if adequate resources are present.